Hey there! Welcome to this video on email marketing, the unsung hero of digital marketing. In today's world, where we are constantly bombarded with ads and notifications, email marketing has proven to be an effective way to cut through the noise and connect with your audience on a personal level. So, let's dive in and explore why email marketing should be an integral part of your marketing strategy. Email marketing is the process of sending targeted messages to a group of people through email. It can be used for a variety of purposes, such as promoting products or services, building relationships with customers, or driving traffic to a website. One of the main advantages of email marketing is that it allows you to reach a large number of people at once, with a message that is tailored to their interests. Why is email marketing important? Email marketing is a highly effective way to communicate with your audience and drive conversions. According to a study by the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing has an ROI of around 4,300%. Additionally, email marketing allows you to build relationships with your subscribers over time, which can lead to increased loyalty and repeat business. Picture this: you have a product or service that you're passionate about, and you're convinced that it can change people's lives. You have a website, social media accounts, and maybe even a blog. But how do you get people to pay attention to you? This is where email marketing comes in. By building a list of subscribers who are interested in what you have to offer, you can create a direct line of communication with them. You can educate them, inspire them, and eventually, persuade them to take action. Build a quality email list. Your email list is the foundation of your email marketing campaigns, so it's important to make sure it's high quality. To build a quality email list, make sure to use double opt-in, which requires subscribers to confirm their email address before they receive your messages. You can also use lead magnets, such as free ebooks or webinars, to entice people to sign up for your list. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list allows you to send targeted messages to different groups of subscribers based on their interests and behaviors. This can help you increase engagement and conversions, as well as reduce the risk of unsubscribes. You can segment your list based on factors such as demographics, past purchase behavior, or email engagement. Personalize your emails. Personalization can help you build stronger relationships with your subscribers and increase engagement. Use personalization tokens, such as the subscriber's name or location, to make your emails feel more personal. You can also use dynamic content to show different messages to different segments of your list. But hold on, I can hear you saying, but Wealth, aren't emails boring? Who reads emails these days? Well, let me tell you, emails can be a lot of things, but boring is not one of them. You have the power to make them engaging, entertaining, and even funny. Who says you can't have a little fun with your email marketing? After all, nobody likes a stiff, robotic email that feels like it was written by a robot. Speaking of robots, let's talk about the importance of being human in your email marketing. People don't want to talk to a machine, they want to talk to a person. So, write your emails like you're talking to a friend. Use a conversational tone, and don't be afraid to show some personality. Be authentic, be relatable, and most importantly, be yourself. Your subscribers will appreciate it, and they'll be more likely to trust you and your brand. Write compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see when they receive your email, so it's important to make it compelling. Use action-oriented language and make sure your subject line is relevant to the content of your email. A/B test different subject lines to see which ones get the best open rates. Use a clear call to action. Your call to action, CTA, is the part of your email that tells subscribers what action you want them to take. Make sure your CTA is clear and easy to understand, and use action-oriented language to encourage clicks. You can also use urgency or scarcity to create a sense of urgency and encourage subscribers to take action. Optimize for mobile. More than half of all email opens happen on mobile devices, so it's important to make sure your emails are optimized for mobile. Use a responsive email design that adjusts to the size of the screen, and make sure your text and images are easy to read on a small screen. Test your emails on different devices and email clients to ensure they look good for all subscribers. Now, let's talk about why having a solid email marketing strategy is so important. First of all, email marketing is cost-effective. Unlike traditional marketing methods like TV ads or billboards, email marketing allows you to reach a large audience without breaking the bank. Second, email marketing is measurable. You can track your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, and use that data to optimize your campaigns. Finally, email marketing is scalable. As your business grows, your email list can grow with it, allowing you to reach more people and generate more revenue. So, there you have it. Email marketing may not be the sexiest topic in the world, but it's a powerful tool that can help you grow your business and connect with your audience in a meaningful way. By creating engaging, conversational, and funny emails, you can build a loyal following that will support your business for years to come. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!